In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Microsoft Loop. This is a great tool for enhancing your productivity while working in different languages, especially if you are part of a multilingual team or simply prefer using your native language in digital tools. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to loop.microsoft.com. It's important to sign in using either your personal account or your work or school account, depending on how you use Microsoft Loop. Ensuring you're signed into the correct account is crucial as it dictates what settings you have access to. Now, once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the settings icon. It's a little gear symbol that's easy to spot. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu where you can find various options to customize your Loop experience. From the list of options in the settings menu, go ahead and click on languages. This subsection is dedicated to all the different languages available to you in Microsoft Loop, and it's where you'll be able to make the changes you wish. Next, look for the option to add another language and click it. This feature allows you to incorporate additional languages into your Loop setup, which can be incredibly useful depending on your language needs or preferences. Once you've clicked to add another language, you will see a drop-down menu appear. This menu lists all the languages that Loop supports. Carefully scroll through and select the language you wish to add. It's handy to know that Microsoft Loop supports a wide range of languages, so you'll likely find exactly what you're looking for. After selecting your preferred language, click on the Add button. This will officially add the language to your account settings within Microsoft Loop. You might notice that Loop allows you to select up to 3 different languages to accommodate various needs. This is a helpful feature for those who frequently switch between languages. Your newly chosen language will automatically appear at the top of your list of preferred languages. Whenever you set a new preferred language, it will bump any previous one down, but rest assured you can reorder them if needed later. If ever you wish to prioritize another language, you can easily adjust this in the same settings menu. That's it, you now know how to change and manage language settings in Microsoft Loop. Remember, these settings will personalize your interface and cater to your language preferences, ensuring a smoother workflow. With this newfound capability to toggle between languages, you're well equipped to handle multilingual projects seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you make your Microsoft Loop experience more personalized and productive.